Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on major stocks. Let's get started. So today you could clearly see it was a sideways market, and today we had Sensex expiry. Okay, so it was a sideways indeed. And then when you check for stocks, it also just went sideways. When you check for IV here with respect to ADX, I'm keeping 1 hour time frame. When you compare the December month with January, this is a clear indication how this is drifting down, and price action was remaining sideways for the December month. Okay, but this is not going to be the same because January 26 has the Q3 results lining up, which will take market in the upward direction provided markets have very good results for the Q2. So this is for December and the comparison between December and January. So 26 Jan it's going to start. So you could clearly see resistance of November month was pretty strong, which is also the SL collection zone. So after taking support here, there's a very good possibility market will go up for the Q3 results in the ICICI Bank. That might happen before 14th of Jan. Now we have HDFC Bank. Similar pattern is observed. The ADX is at 11. I have high expectations for HDFC Bank. Now we have Reliance, which is also showing the same kind of positions. As you could see, the December month, the resistance is pretty good here, and the price action is remaining at the resistance, and the ADX is also reflecting very good. So QT results can change the price action and it might go up. So heavy expectations are there for HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank from my point of view. Okay, so we would start with option chain. Okay, so the straddle is obviously not working, so we'll start with the open interest. So here first I'm going to check is Reliance. So this is Reliance open interest. Let's just dissect this. So IV is 9, which is very good. Max pain at 70. So this is the max pain where also the straddle and strangle has been pointed. 1600 acts as the resistance, and pretty good. You could see range is here, which has been sideways. The far point of support is 1500. The far resistance is 1700. So this is the data for 2026 Jan for Reliance. Okay, we'll move on to today's open interest. So here you can check today some profit booking has happened and 1600 stands as resistance. I'll move on to HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, so Q3 results are coming up. Have heavy expectations here. So you could clearly see max pain at 95. So here is the straddle point, also the max pain. So support is for 40, resistance is 100, and the straddle and strangle are at 1k. Okay, so this is for HDFC Bank. IV is 9. So this is the overall Jan 26. When you check for today's data, 1000 is having facing a huge resistance. So this is actually good because upcoming week it's going to have Q3 results where the profit booking in the call side would be changing the fact. The last one is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank open interest, you could clearly see the fight is between 50 to 1400, and when you check for the change today, the resistances have been added at the 40 and 50. Okay, so I'm not convinced with the data, option data, because it is showing for 31st March. So let's wait and watch. If there is a mistake, then that might reflect. Okay, so here Reliance. So yeah, as I told you, there is some mistake going on where the option chain data is not clearly reflecting. Let's check for HDFC if that reflects. Okay, so see, there is a glitch. So yeah, thank you. We might try in some other website tomorrow.